Hello. Today we are learning to use the advanced search feature in the EBSCO CINAHL database. We recommend you begin on the North Metro TAFE Library website. You can start by clicking on the Online Resources button. Select C for CINAHL at the top of the page. Now scroll down and select CINAHL Complete from the list. This is a collection of more than 160 journals about nursing and allied health. Click on the title to open the page. To start, select the Advanced Search button on the right-hand side. Now think about what search terms you want to use and how they relate to the assessment you are working on. For this example, we will be researching falls prevention in hospitals with elderly patients. We will start by typing your initial search into the primary search field. You can look at the suggested searches for potential options. You can use these if you want, but for now we will keep it simple. We will search under all fields. We could search for title, abstract, or other options, but for now we will keep it as all fields. CINAHL will rank the results for you, giving you the most relevant results under your search terms, and keeping it as all fields gives us the broadest range of results. Press the search button to see the results. Here we can see we have 3,250 results from this basic search. To do a more complex search, click the Advanced Search button in the top right corner. As shown here, adding an asterisk at the end of a word in the search bar will help you to expand your search. It makes sure the search also looks for all the variants of the word. In this example, the variants of fall may be falls, fallen, or falling. Doing this adds the variants to the search without having to add them manually. Here we have our Boolean operators. If you need a reminder on how these work, we encourage you to do some research on the subject, as they are a very useful tool. In short, using and between terms narrows your search. Using or between terms broadens your search. And using not excludes terms from your search. You can now start to narrow your search with different search terms. Try adding another term to narrow the search using the AND operator. Again, searching under all fields. Now run the search to see your updated results. You can see that the number has now dropped to 579 results. You should further filter your results by selecting peer-reviewed. This will only show you results that have been officially reviewed by others in the field, ensuring the quality of the resource and information. You can also filter by time frame. Speak to your lecturer about the age of resources that they want for your assessment. Depending on how old a resource is can be an important factor, with the number of results reducing as you move closer to the present. The other main filter is source type. Selecting academic journals will ensure that you only get quality resources and weed out other non-official articles. The remaining results should be evidence-based academic articles that are of a high quality and have been put through a review process before being published. If you select the All Filters button in the top left corner, you can see all of the filters that are currently applied to your search. Selecting the English language option will filter out any results that are in other languages. Press Apply to reload your results. You can see that the number has again dropped to 108. Now you will need to decide which articles you are going to use. You can use the Generative AI Insights tool to create a summary of the contents. If it looks promising, clicking the Access Options button will allow you to open the article in various formats, such as a PDF. Click the box to open the article. Reading the abstract is a good way to see if it meets your needs. It will outline any relevant data or conclusions from the text. If you choose to reference the article, you can click on the Cite tool on the banner in the top right corner. Ensure that you have selected the APA 7th edition reference style. You can then copy the reference and add it to your assignment. We also recommend that you share the article with yourself via the Share button. Send yourself an email with the link to the article for easier access later. You can also download the article in PDF form from the Downloads button. Additionally, you can print the article via the Print button. Clicking the back arrow at the top left of the page will let you go back to the results page. To return to the search page, click the Advanced Search button. You can restrict your search by using the not operator with an additional search term, which in this example can be community. And again, searching under all fields. After clicking the search button, you can see the number of results has once again gone down. We also recommend selecting your search terms from the search bar and copying it into your assignment for later use. Take note of the Cited By button. It will tell you how many others have referenced this article in their own articles. Clicking the button will take you to a list of these articles. From here you can see if any of these articles fit the brief for your assignment. Clicking the title will open the article page. Once you are done with it, you can return to the results page by clicking the Results button at the top of the page. Then you can simply exit out of the Cited By screen to return to your search. If you lose your search at any point, you can select the Recent Activities tab on the left. This will take you to a list of your past searches. Simply choose the correct one and it will resume for you. You should now know how to access the database. Input your search terms using Boolean operators to restrict or widen your results. Look at the results to find suitable options. Access the articles to read, as well as how to save, cite, share, and download the resources. If you need any help or have any questions about this process, please speak to your lecturer or visit your campus library for assistance.